All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Wednesday. It is the 8th of April. Welcome to it. My good things for today are being happy and healthy and with my family, and the TV show Fuller House. Here at the Bruner House, we've spent a lot of time in the last couple days watching Fuller House. I think we've watched the whole series, and the girls are really loving it. Please make sure that today you are completing the attendance form and sending that in to me. Your good things, I don't have them in front of me today, but they have been focused a lot on food and what you're doing and family and learning new things, and I think those are all awesome. Please continue to do that, and please let me know if there's anything that I can do for you. So make sure you fill that out and submit it every day. All right, short video today. Our focus is on social studies today. So over the last few days, you've been reading chapter 11, section 1. This section on the origins of the Renaissance. You should have completed your notes by now. And I would like you to do kind of a concluding question, I'm calling it. And here it is right here. Why does economic success seem to coincide with innovation in arts, science, and culture? So that's kind of what this whole section, this whole chapter is about, and this whole section is about. That's what the Renaissance is. Innovation in culture, arts, science, and everything. So in your paragraph, and I'd like you to write about a one-paragraph answer, tell me, why does economic success seem to coincide or happen at the same time as these cultural and scientific and mathematic and whatnot things also become more successful or different or change, right? How is it that people have more money and are doing more productive work at the same time that people are coming up with new ideas in art and science and literature and whatnot? So write a paragraph about that. You should be synthesizing the information from chapter 11, section 1 into your answer. All right, in addition to that, I would like you to start your notes on chapter 11, section 2, the Italian Renaissance. This section is kind of building upon what you learned in chapter 11, 1, and talking about more specifically what innovations happened in the area of humanism, religion, rediscovering the past, like archaeology, writing, art. So, start reading 11.2. Start your notes on 11.2. I think that's about it for today. Answer that question. Start your reading and notes on chapter 11, section 2. All right. Stay happy, stay well. Talk to you tomorrow.